Are you ready to dive into the vibrant world of creativity, but find yourself wondering if you've got that elusive artistic gene? Today, we're about to shatter that misconception and embark on a journey that will reshape the way you see art. It's time to uncover the truth about starting art, so grab your brushes, your imagination, and let's debunk the myth that's been holding you back. I'm Olivia, and beyond excited to have you join me today as we unravel a common misconception that's been lurking in the shadows of the art world for far too long. You know that belief we've all heard, the one that says you need to be born with some innate artistic talent to create something meaningful and enjoyable? Well, it's time to toss that idea right out the window. This video is all about putting that myth to rest and igniting your passion for art, whether you're a seasoned creator or someone who's just dipping their toes into this captivating ocean of creativity. Just like any other skill in life, art is something that can be cultivated, nurtured, and refined over time. Think about it. Even the most renowned artists of our time didn't burst onto the scene with their full range of abilities. They started somewhere, just like you and me. They put in the hours, the effort, and the determination to develop their craft. Remember those captivating paintings, sculptures, and masterpieces you admire? They were all once just sketches, strokes, and experiments. Let's break it down. Imagine you're learning a musical instrument. Are you instantly a virtuoso from the moment you pick up the guitar or sit at the piano? Of course not. You start with basic chords, scales, and practice. Over time, your fingers get nimbler, your sense of rhythm sharpens, and the music you produce becomes more beautiful and complex. The same goes for art. Artistic skill is not a magical gift bestowed upon a select few. It's a journey that anyone can embark on, armed with patience, dedication, and the willingness to embrace growth. Don't let the notion of being a natural talent hold you back. Recognize that every stroke of the brush, every line you draw, and every creative endeavor you undertake is a step on this incredible journey of artistic development. The next time you gaze at a masterpiece and think, I could never create something like that, remember this: you absolutely can. And it all starts with the simple act of putting your creative intentions into action. Think about your favorite athletes, musicians, and even chefs. Did they wake up one day with exceptional abilities in their respective fields? Definitely not. They honed their skills through consistent practice, pushing themselves beyond their comfort zones, and dedicating countless hours to their craft. And you are no different. Whether you're wielding a brush, molding clay, or capturing moments on film, every stroke, every mold, every edit you make contributes to your artistic growth. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become with your tools, the more attuned you are to your medium, and the more refined your techniques become. Sure, some folks might have a bit of a head start due to their previous experiences or exposure, but the real secret sauce here is consistency. The journey of an artist isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Steady and deliberate practice triumphs over bursts of natural talent. Every mark, every creation, and every piece you finish is a milestone on your path to artistic excellence. Whether you're producing a masterpiece or simply experimenting with new techniques, each endeavor contributes to your growth as an artist. It's time to unpack a crucial aspect of the artistic journey: learning and growth. Imagine your artistic path as a canvas itself, blank at the beginning, but slowly filling with vibrant experiences, lessons, and revelations that shape your evolution as an artist. Starting out in art doesn't mean you're meant to create instant masterpieces. In fact, it's often those initial stumbles and happy accidents that become the stepping stones to your creative prowess. Imagine an aspiring painter bravely facing a canvas for the first time. The strokes might seem unsure, colors may blend in unexpected ways, but somewhere amidst the anxiety and uncertainty, magic happens. A misstep with a brush creates a texture that sparks a new idea. A smudge evolves into an unexpected element of beauty. These are the moments that turn a seemingly flawed piece into a masterpiece of growth. Embracing these challenges isn't about striving for perfection from the get-go. It's about seeing every mistake as a potential treasure trove of wisdom. Those who who dare to tread the uncharted territories of their creative limit often discover new techniques, innovative styles, and a deeper understanding of their medium. Remember, it's not about avoiding errors, but rather welcoming them as gateways to unlocking your artistic potential. Art isn't just about creating flawless lines or achieving photorealistic accuracy. It's a channel for your emotions, thoughts, and experiences, a way to share your unique perspective with the world. When you put your heart into your creation, it resonates with others on a deeper level, evoking emotions and sparking connections. Consider the works of celebrated artists throughout history. The power of their pieces often lies not just in their technical mastery, but in the stories they tell, the feelings they convey, and the messages they communicate. Your creativity is a gift that allows you to paint your own narrative, whether it's a tale of joy, struggle, love, or introspection. Take a moment to reflect on how your own experiences and passions can infuse life into your creations. Imagine a canvas as a window to your soul. Every brushstroke, every color choice, every texture is a reflection of who you are and what you hold dear. Embrace your quirks, your uniqueness, and your individuality, because they're what sets your art apart. It's like a buffet of creative options. Just as you might crave different flavors at different times, your artistic spirit may yearn for various styles and medium. Whether you're drawn to impressionism, realism, abstract, or something entirely unconventional, each style is a unique language for expressing your thoughts, emotions, and stories. The path to discovering your preferred style might be as adventurous as a treasure hunt. It involves trying on different artistic outfits, seeing what fits, and discarding the rest. Remember, finding your style is about uncovering what resonates with you, what allows your voice to sing through your creations. And it doesn't end with just styles. Mediums add another layer to your creative journey. From oils to watercolors, from digital art to clay sculpting, the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Each medium has its own quirks, challenges, and rewards. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore, because through experimentation, you'll stumble upon the modes of creation that resonate with your soul. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, there's a wealth of resources at your fingertips waiting to fuel your creative fire. From online tutorials that break down complex techniques into bite-sized steps to classes and workshops led by experts, the possibilities are endless. These resources act as your creative mentors, guiding you through the intricacies of your chosen medium and helping you hone your skill. Imagine joining a virtual classroom where you can ask questions, share ideas, and connect with fellow artists from around the globe. It's like having a community that cheers you on, answers your queries, and celebrates your progress. These resources can provide invaluable insights, shortcuts, and fresh perspectives that can dramatically accelerate your artistic journey. But it's not just about technique. These resources are your passport to endless inspiration. As you explore different techniques and styles, you might stumble upon a method that sparks a new direction in your art. Remember, learning is an ongoing adventure. And the more you engage with these resources, the more you'll refine your craft and expand your creative horizons. In a world where good art can be narrowly defined, it's vital to remember that artistic value isn't determined by a universal set of rules. What might resonate deeply with one person might evoke a different feeling in another, and that's okay. It's what makes art a realm of diverse perspectives and endless interpretations. Consider the great artists of history. Their works were often met with both praise and criticism, proving that opinions about art are as varied as the colors on a palette. Your creative journey isn't about conforming to others' definitions of good art. It's about embracing your individuality and finding joy in creating pieces that resonate with you on a personal level. Creating art, much like any creative endeavor, is a process. It ebbs and flows. There are highs, those moments of inspiration when ideas flow effortlessly, and there are lows where progress might seem sluggish or even non-existent. It's in those moments that the power of perseverance truly shines. Think of your artistic journey as a masterpiece in the making. Every brushstroke, every click of the camera, every moment spent editing is a stroke on the canvas of your progress. Just as it takes time for a canvas to transform into a stunning work of art, your own growth as an artist isn't an overnight sensation. It's a steady accumulation of effort, experimentation, and learning. Throughout history, many renowned artists faced their own share of obstacles. They navigated doubts, faced rejections, and even grappled with periods of self-doubt. Yet, their determination to push forward, to keep creating, despite challenges, ultimately led them to greatness. Remember, the journey of an artist is rarely a straight line. It's a winding path that sometimes leads to unforeseen destinations. So, whether you're in a moment of creative fervor or weathering a storm of artistic block, remember the importance of staying the course. Perseverance isn't just about pushing through when times are tough. It's about recognizing that progress may be slow and that every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your artistic aspirations. Imagine your creative process as a vast playground, where every technique, style, and medium is a swing, waiting to be explored. The beauty of experimentation lies in its ability to awaken your inner explorer, to lead you to uncharted territories of creativity you might never have ventured into otherwise. It's like trying on different costumes at a masquerade ball, each revealing a new facet of your artistic identity. Just as a plant reaches towards the sun, your artistic growth thrives when you stretch your creative muscles. Consider the words of innovators who dared to explore the unknown, pushing the boundaries of what was thought. Their willingness to venture beyond the familiar paved the way for groundbreaking discoveries, and your art's journey can be no different. Embrace the unfamiliar, whether it's a new medium, an unconventional technique, or a style you've never explored. It might feel like a leap into the unknown, but every leap is a step towards self-discovery. Think of your artistic exploration as a series of beautiful accidents, moments where you stumble upon unexpected results that lead to ingenious breakthroughs. Creating art is a voyage of self-discovery, a dance between imagination and reality, a symphony of emotions. And amid this creative dance, it's crucial to remember that every stroke, every click, every moment spent in your creative zone is a celebration of your unique expression. It's a chance to connect with your inner artist and let your spirit flow onto the canvas of your choice. Think about the times that you've been so engrossed in creating that the outside world fades away, and all that matters is the colors, textures, and emotions you're weaving into your work. This is the magic of the creative process, the therapeutic balm that rejuvenates your soul and gives you a sense of purpose. It's not just about the destination, it's about the joy of the journey itself. Imagine looking back at your artistic endeavors, not just as finished pieces, but as milestones in your growth. The satisfaction of progress, the exhilaration of new discoveries, and the memories of those moments when you felt truly alive. These are the treasures that emerge when you fully immerse yourself in the process. Remember, art is a personal expression, a testament to your growth, a mirror reflecting the beauty of your journey. If you found value in our exploration, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you're ready to take your creative journey to the next level, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. We've got a world of inspiration and creative insight waiting for you in upcoming videos. So, keep experimenting, keep creating, and always keep your heart open to the infinite possibilities of your imagination. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep the artistic fire burning bright.